Howdy howdy howdy. I am Little Timmy Rose, avatar for artist Tim Rose Bro, and this is Art World Geeks, inspired by, where I discuss a work that inspires my art practice. In this episode, we'll look at the 2011 installation, untitled Slide, by the artist Karsten Holler. Holler was born in Brussels, Belgium, in 1961. Untitled Slide is an example of his experimental installations that encourage viewer participation and decision-making through the use of immersive spaces and structures, such as his slides, which have been featured at Britain's Tate Modern and New York's New Museum. This work inspires me to include viewer participation in my work, creating richer layers of meaning and engagement. Until next time, I'm Little Timmy Rose, avatar for artist Tim Rose Bro. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on social media and the web at Art World Geek.